Hello viewers, in this lesson we'll be taking a look at this radical expression which says square root of 5 plus square root of 3 over square root of 5 minus square root of 3 should be simplified to the lowest term. So to do this, we are going to multiply it by the conjugate of the denominator. Then we expand the multiplication and finally resolve to the final answer. So from here we have solution. So we are to first multiply by the conjugate. So we have square root of 5 plus square root of 3 over square root of 5 minus square root of 3 multiply by the conjugate. So this way we'll be able to rationalize and simplify it further. So multiply by square root of 5 plus square root of 3 over square root of 5 plus square root of 3. Here we expand the numerator to give us, let's put this upper part as a, then this denominator as. So let's expand a. So to expand a, we have square root of 5 into bracket plus square root of 3, close the bracket, open another bracket, square root of 5 plus square root of 3. So we expand this by multiplying the bracket. So this multiplied by this will give us square root of 5 squared. Square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 3, we have plus square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 3. So we also multiply this, we have plus square root of 3 square root of 5. Then we multiply this to have square root of 3 squared. Okay, this 2 we cancel this square root. So we now have 5 left plus this square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 3 plus square root of 5. Square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 3. So we have 2 of that to give us 2 square root of 5 square root of 3. Then plus this square, also we take away this to have 3 left. So if we add this plus this, that will give us 8. Okay, plus then we can multiply this and that give us 2 square root of 5 square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 3. That gives us 8 plus 2 square root of 15. So this is A has been simplified. So then we simplify B as well. So we have B to be square root of 5 into bracket square root of 3, that is subtract, open the bracket, square root of 5 plus square root of 3. This will be equals to this multiplied by this. We have square root of 5 raised to power 2. So, and this definitely give us the form of when we have an expansion of an identity of this nature that says if we are expanding an identity of this nature, A multiplied by subtract by B into bracket A plus B. So this identity have a resulting or expansion of A squared subtract by B squared. So we are going to express this in form of this. So then we have square root of 3 squared, and this will give us this squared cancel the square root. Likewise, this square cancel the square root. So we are left with 5 minus 3, and that gives us 2. So this is the simplification of B, and this is the simplification of A. Then we return it back because we know that A is over B. Okay, so that will then give us 8 plus 2 square root of 15 over 2. We can split this. We have 8 over 2 plus 2 square root of 15 over 2. So from here, 8 can divide 2. We have 8, 2 divided by 2, 1. 8 divided by 2, we have 4. 2 into 1, 2 into 1. So this then gives us 4 plus square root of 15, which is the final simplification of the expression. But this does not stop there. We can still determine or verify this answer. To verify this answer, we will multiply this final answer with the denominator of the initial question. Then, after multiplying both, if our answer is result to the numerator, if we get something of what is in the numerator, then our verification of the answer is correct. So let's check for this. Check for the answer. So we multiply that square root of 5 minus square root of 3 multiplied by our answer 4 plus square root of 15. So we can expand this with the distributive property. So this multiplied by this, we have 4 square root of 5. This multiplied by this, we have plus square root of 15 multiplied by square root of 5. So multiplied by this, we have minus 4 square root of 3. Multiplied by this, we have minus square root of 15. That is square root of 15 multiplied by square root of 3. So this expression and this can be further simplified to its lowest term. So let's simplify that as well. So we have square root of 15 square root of 5 can be expressed as square root of 15 multiplied by square root of 5, which can give us square root of 75. And this can also be expressed as square root of 25 multiplied by square root of 3, which gives us square root of 25 multiplied by square root of 3. And square root of 25 gives us 5. And then square root of 3. So these have been simplified. We also simplify the other one, so which is square root of 15 and square root of 3 can also be expressed as square root of 15, okay, multiplied by square root of 3. And this can also further be given as square root of 45. Okay, square root of 45 can also be expressed as square root of 9 multiplied by square root of 5. Okay, square root of 9 multiplied by 5, which can be expressed as square root of 9 multiplied by square root of 5. And this gives us square root of 9 equals to 3. And square root of 5. So these two results we got here can be transferred back to this area and this. So and that gives us square root of 4 square root of 5 plus 5 square root of 3 minus 4 square root of 3, then minus 3 square root of 5. So we can further reduce this to by putting the like times together. So square root of 5, 4 square root of 5, we go with 3 square root of 5. So 4 square root of 5 minus 3 square root of 5 plus 5 square root of 3 will also be with 4 square root of 3. So plus 5 square root of 3 minus 3 minus 4 square root of 3. So this plus 5 square root of 3 can subtract 4 square root of 3 to give us square root of 3. Likewise, plus, in this case, 4 square root of 5 can also subtract 3 square root of 5 to give us square root of 5 with the coefficient of 1 over here. So this gives us the initial numerator. This gives us the initial numerator over here. So which proves the correctness, okay, and that's the final answer. Thanks for watching.